For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
It has been nearly 5 days since Super Cyclone Amphan left behind a trail of destruction after it made the landfall in country's western coast. While Odisha was relatively spared, West Bengal bore the brunt of destruction as the cyclone hit several parts including Kolkata, Howrah, North 24 Paraganas, among others. Nearly 86 people lost their lives in the cyclone. Several parts of Kolkata are slowly returning to normalcy. Relief works gathering pace after a few columns of the Indian Army were deployed. Priority was given on restoring road connectivity in several parts of Kolkata as the army personnel were seen clearing fallen trees on Sunday. Several charitable organizations including the Ramakrishna Mission and Bharat Sevashram Sangha have come to the aid of the cyclone survivors. The Confederation of Indian Food too has lent a helping hand. Food and other essentials are being distributed. Meanwhile, several other parts of West Bengal including Barakpur continue to wait for aid. The cyclone which passed through the area damaged close to 2,000 houses.
ये जो झड़ हुआ था ये तो हम लोग तो माने इतना होगा किसी का समझ में ही नहीं था। ये जो धुआं तो तांडव हुआ और इसको जो नुकसान हुआ अगर ये सरकार नहीं देखेगा तो मर जाएगा, एकदम मर जाएगा। तो इतना करीब 10 लाख अगर इसको सरकार थोड़े से भी नहीं देखेगा तो ये तो मर जाएगा, ये तो कुछ नहीं कर सकेगा। सरकार को इमीडिएट ये सबको देखने होगा, नहीं तो ये लोग क्या करेगा, कौन देखेगा? ये तो बाल बच्चे लेकर एकदम रास्ता में चलाएगा।
घर तब आया था तो देखा था पूरा घर बिखर के फैल दिया बाहर में, तो घर में हम नहीं था तो इसलिए मैं बच गया। अब पूरा चाल उखड़ गया बाहर में फेंक दिया और कुछ नहीं। और एडबेस्टर सब चापन गिर गया तो सब टूट गया, सब भीग गया, सब फट गया,
नष्ट हो गया।
नष्ट।
अभी क्या करोगे?
अब पता नहीं क्या करेंगे, आप देखना पड़ेगा।
Flash protests were witnessed in several parts of the state on Saturday. One such incident was seen in North 24 Paraganas after residents took to the streets demanding restoration of electricity and other essential facilities. Meanwhile, West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar hit out at Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for failing to seek help from the centre to deploy the army much sooner. Taking to Twitter on Saturday, Dhankar also asked Mamata to share the real figures of the losses witnessed by the cyclone.
I have directed all authorities to attend to Raj Bhavan in last only after normalcy is restored in the city. Urge Mamata Banerjee to be in touch with Governor. Had this been done, army would have been called 3 days back. Share real loss. Inflating figures is counterproductive.
While the cyclone has left the state of West Bengal, it has also devastated lives of the people. Returning to normalcy is still a long way to go. Restoration of critical infrastructure on a war footing must be undertaken. The government must also come to the aid of those who have lost their homes.